Hi, I'm Cathy with Level Up RN. In this video, I will be discussing Probenecid, which is a uricosuric medication used to treat chronic gout. At the end of the video, I'm going to give you guys a little quiz to test your understanding of some of the key facts from the video, so be sure to stay for that. And if you have our Level Up RN pharmacology flashcards, go ahead and pull out your flashcard on Probenecid so you can follow along with me. Gout is a type of inflammatory arthritis that causes severe joint pain, swelling, and redness. It commonly affects the big toe, as shown here. Gout is caused by hyperuricemia, or elevated levels of uric acid in the bloodstream, which leads to the formation of needle-like crystals in the joints. When it comes to treating gout with medications, colchicine, which I covered in a separate video, is used to treat an acute gout attack, whereas probenecid is used to treat chronic gout. So it is used long-term on a daily basis to prevent future gout attacks. Our cool chicken hint to help you remember this medication is to think your chronic gout would probably benefit from probenecid. In terms of mode of action, probenecid decreases levels of uric acid in the body. It does this by inhibiting reabsorption of uric acid in the kidneys, which increases excretion of uric acid in the urine. Side effects of probenecid include gastrointestinal issues such as nausea and vomiting. In addition, it can cause kidney stones. This happens because probenecid causes large amounts of uric acid to be released in the urinary system, and that uric acid can crystallize and form stones. In terms of nursing care, it's going to be important to monitor your patient's kidney function, including their BUN and creatinine levels, as well as their uric acid levels throughout therapy. You should also teach your patient to increase their intake of fluids in order to prevent kidney stone formation. All right, it's quiz time, and I have 3 questions for you. Question number 1. Is probenecid used for an acute gout attack or chronic gout? The answer is chronic gout. Question number 2. What is probenecid's mode of action? The answer is it inhibits reabsorption of uric acid in the kidneys, which causes increased excretion of uric acid in the urine, which brings down levels of uric acid in the body. Question number 3. Why should a patient taking probenecid drink plenty of water during therapy? The answer is to prevent the formation of kidney stones. All right, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, be sure to hit that like button. Take care and good luck with studying. We invite you to subscribe to our channel and share a link with your classmates and friends in nursing school. And if you found value in this video, be sure to hit that like button and let us know what you found to be particularly helpful.